In version 3.5, Uila has made a groundbreaking enhancement to the multi-tiered application dependency mapping feature. The new multi-tiered application dependency feature has many advantages. We will go through them as we see the tutorial. You can go into service groups and create a new service group. The service grouping menu has now been consolidated. You can now access multi-tier, dynamic multi-tier, or port group-based service groups right from this menu. You can create your group name. Now let's complete it. By clicking in, you will now go into the service group. There are no current virtual machines that have been added. In our case, let's add a multi-tiered application with a front-end load balancer that goes all the way to the databases. Click on Add Virtual Machines. Search for your virtual machine that you would like to add. In our case, I would like to add the load balancer, that is a virtual machine that is sitting in the front end of the application. This is my interesting load balancer. Go ahead, click Apply. You will see the load balancer appears in the menu. Now, drag and create a rubber band to go around the load balancer. You will come across multiple actions with the multi-node. For the multi-node, you will be able to remove VMs, add dependent servers, add dependent clients, or move virtual machines to different tiers. We will get to this in just a little bit. But in our case now, we would like to add dependent servers. So checkbox this, go ahead, click OK, and you will see a list of all the different virtual machines that appear that are dependent on the load balancer. The ones that we are most concerned about are the web services or the HTTP services, as you can see here. The DNS services are something that may not be important for the next tier. So go ahead, uncheck these boxes, go ahead, hit Add. Now, the web servers need a backend and they use databases. In order to view which databases they use, go ahead, click on the rubber band, checkbox, Add Dependent Servers, click OK, and now you can see all the dependent databases. It's running a MySQL service, and we can go ahead, remove the domain controllers from this menu. Click Add. Now, you can see a 3-tiered architecture for your multi-tiered application, right from your load balancer, the web servers, and database servers. If you would like to see what are the clients that are accessing the load balancer, you can use the rubber band menu to add dependent clients. Click OK. Now, you can see there are a couple of VDI desktops that are accessing the load balancer for services. Go ahead, hit Add. And now, you can now see an end-to-end visibility right from the desktops, the load balancer, the web servers, and the databases. You can also rename these tiers from their default names of Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, and Tier 4. You can click on this Edit button. Now, click Next for the tier names, and now you can use this to rename your tiers. Let's call the first tier VDI Desktops. The second tier, Load Balancer. The third tier, Web Servers. And finally, the fourth tier as Databases. Click Complete. Now, you can see a full-fledged application dependency map right from the web desktops to the databases, and they've all been named accordingly. This can further enhance your ability to use Uila to troubleshoot application-related slowdowns and use this structure to see where exactly the problems may lie. Thank you.